In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Optifine to Minecraft. So, first of all, what you want to do is make sure that you close Minecraft and that you don't have it open. Now, I want to go to Google. I want to type in Optifine. Now, the website you want to go to is optifine.net. On here like this. You want to go to downloads. Now, once I've gone to downloads, you want to pick the version of Minecraft you want to use. So I'm going to do 1.19.4. I'm going to hit download. Now, you're going to be sent to this page. This is like an ad page. You need to wait 3 seconds. Wait at the top. And then you can finally hit skip, and that will send you to the download page. So from here, you can go here and click download. And this is going to download the Optifine jar. So with this Optifine jar, what you can then do is you can click on it. And as you can see right now, there's like a little blue circle around it, which means it's not ready, but now it is ready. So it's going to open this. This is the op installer. So first you want to select what folder do you want to install it to. Once you've got the folder, you can click install and make sure this is on your Minecraft folder. Click install and it's going to take you through the whole process of it. Now you can go and open Minecraft up. And once you've opened it up, you should have Optifine installed on your Minecraft launcher ready to play. From there, you can add any mods or shaders or anything you want to do like that. And that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.